Mitochondria. Let's discuss the structure of mitochondria. Mitochondria is also known as powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria are membrane-bound organelles present in the cytoplasm of all eukaryotic cells, all eukaryotic plant and animal cells, but it is absent in prokaryotic cell. Okay, so it is membrane-bound organelles present in the cytoplasm of cells. Mitochondria has outer membrane and inner membrane. It has outer membrane and inner membrane and a gel-like internal matrix. Here you can see gel-like substance, blue color gel-like substance, which is called matrix. Outer membrane and the inner membrane, both the membranes are made of proteins and phospholipids layer. Outer membrane is very porous holes and smooth. Here you can see it is smooth. Outer membrane is smooth. While the inner membrane, here you can see inner membrane is deeply folded. Here you can see it is deeply folded. And the fold are known as cristae. Fold of inner membrane are known as cristae. Cristae helps in increasing the surface area inside the organelles. Cristae helps in increasing the surface area inside the mitochondria. Why it increased? To perform chemical reactions. A number of chemical reactions take place within the inner membrane of mitochondria. The process of respiration takes place inside the mitochondria. This reaction takes place inside the mitochondria. Process of respiration takes place inside the mitochondria and energy produced in the form of ATP. Let's discuss about the functions of mitochondria. So the most important roles of mitochondria are to produce energy currency of the cell. And what is energy currency of the cell? ATP, adenosine triphosphate. So the most prominent role of mitochondria are to produce the energy currency of the cell. ATP gives the energy to the cell for chemical reaction. So mitochondria produce energy currency means mitochondria produce ATP through the process of respiration. And mitochondria regulate all the cellular metabolism. Whatever functions chemical reaction take place, it regulate them. It is known as powerhouse of the cell because it produces energy currency of the cell, ATP, because it produces energy. That's why it is called powerhouse of the cell. So they perform respiration process perform inside the mitochondria. So they are organelles that act like digestive system which takes in nutrient, break them down and create energy. Takes in nutrient, break them and creates energy rich molecule means ATP. So here you can see it has its own DNA and ribosome inside the matrix. It has its own DNA and ribosome. Okay, it is two membrane, outer cover and inner folds. Inner folds are called cristae, increase the surface area, thus increasing more reactions to happens. It is known as powerhouse of the cell. It produces currency of the cell, that is ATP. So mitochondria produces ATP. That's why it is called powerhouse of the cell. Got it?